If you have operated the Access database, you are aware about the fact that database files are often plagued by corruption, which can turn out to be a real risk to the very important data present in them. To overcome this issue, SysInfo has introduced a very effective tool, SysInfo MDB Viewer. It is a free tool that enables to preview in future to open, read and view MDB or ACCDB with no secondary software installation. It has some excellent features. View and open Access database files without MS Access database. The software supports both MDB and ACCDB files. Supports all versions of MS Access and MS Windows versions. Let's explore how SysInfo MDB Viewer software works. Run SysInfo MDB Viewer software. Click on Open and select MDB file that you want to recover and view. Choose recovery mode, either advanced mode or standard mode. Select the exact version of the file here. Check if you want to show system tables. Now click OK to begin the scanning process. Once the scanning process gets completed, click OK. Now you can select a particular folder from the left pane of software to view the recovered data. If you want to save the log files, click on Log File to save them. Finally, if you wish to save recovered files and folders at the desired location, you can simply click on Upgrade option. Once the entire process gets done, close the application. Hope you liked the video and the video was helpful for you. For more such videos, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.